We provide new construction, remodeling, water heater change out. We offer the best repair in town. We provide parts that nobody else carries. We'll do sewer cleanouts, power wash jetting, change out faucets. We do work for all different plumbing companies that need hard to find stuff. We'll find their parts for them. Our business is set apart by motivation, the willingness to learn. We've got a lot of knowledge between four owners. They've been doing this a long time and it's being passed down.